bank for people. Now people are confused. They don't know that they're going for new naira or old naira. You bring the old one, they won't give you new one. You bring the new one to buy, it's fake money. The person selling food to you is afraid because he doesn't know which way to go. Is it not enough for Nigerians to wake up, if not that they're under a spell? Tell me, how can government hold your money? You're not owing government. This is your hard-earned money, and they can't release it. Okay, Rufai promised them that once they vote for him and Tinubu, that they'll reverse the money, whatever they said, and that they shouldn't worry that UBA Bank will return their money to them. He was telling Kaduna people. And we saw them, Tony Elumelu, congratulating Tinubu. Tony too doesn't have conscience because of money and the business and the whole looting Tinubu is bringing to his bank. Maybe Tinubu is one of UBA, who knows? I was so disappointed in that Tony Elumelu. You know? So what am I trying to say in effect? We have to say no to this coming election. The governors are their puppets. They will go to Sokoto again and they will sleep with them from behind and hide the video, using it to hunt them, and they'll start behaving like Mumu. They can't talk. That's why these ones you see in Biafra land, they can't talk because their video will leak. So another people now that you people want to go and vote, they will also silence them. So if I'm supposed to say, let everybody sit at home, they don't deserve our vote. Look at Samuel Luna greeting people in church. He turned to usher because he want to be voted by Saturday. Church he has never gone to see. He turned to usher in the front, shaking everybody. I was like, hey, why didn't I go to this kind of church? I will refuse that handshake. Don't even know whether it's collecting your star. So let everybody wise up now. You shouldn't be deceived again. Imo State is a case study. Imo State is a case study for Biafrans. If you dare validate anybody, right? Another bomber jet or fighter, whatever, will come. I saw the team bombing Imo without provocation. You're killing people. And Channel TV and Arise, they can't cover it. They're all pretending they don't know about it.
No, they know they cover them. No,
Abiola daughter will not speak grammar about it. Today, this Madam H.O. Abi that was insulting Master Simon Ekpa. You need to see this one woman they vibrate for YouTube today. Was abusing somebody, saying that let everybody collect politicians' children's location abroad, their bank and everything, that they'll go for them. He was even challenging Army, challenging Buhari, abusing them. I said, really? I thought you went to vote. You wanted vote. Now you have voted and see Nigeria has happened to her. So let everybody. Yes. Nigeria. One guy told them that Nigeria is a fraud. He was so blunt on their program. So what I'm trying to say in effect, if you vote, Imo State is a child's play. Because if you think it's your cousin that is coming in as a new governor, you want to go and validate him, by the time he enters their court meeting, he will obey them and forget about you. They believe in brotherhood, not you that voted them. We have gone through a lot of suffering in Nigeria. Now they are talking of going to protest, but army is waiting for you if you protest. Let no reasonable Biafran child, Biafran Pekin, anywhere in Nigeria come out to do protests for Obi. Because most of them have traveled. That's if Obi, they leave Obi to even see the end of the whole thing. They are looking for you people, both the ones in Lagos, to go to INEC office, and they will kill you. Then when they kill you, your case will enter voicemail like these people lying down there now. Even though these people are not protesters, but you'll be forgotten in a jiffy. Nobody should protest. Melafia said it. Let Christians go on 1 week sit at home to show that Christians are more than Muslims. They wasted him. So the only solution now, if Nigerian youth or the people that want to protest is wise, they just start their own sit at home, so that the world will know that this thing don't come up for Jeremy level. Sit at home is a civil disobedience. But if you enter the street, their military, they will take ganja, be whatever they call it, and they will waste you and nothing will happen. You see Malami saying the Obi will not get, justice, and nothing will happen. He said it, and nothing will happen indeed. And they're doing him Totorina. So please, Biafrans, better stay your home and sit at home. They warned you. These people are not joking. They are desperate. Islamization is here, and I don't know how you people will come out of it. I saw policeman, they wrote him a letter asking churches to close down in one part of Nigeria. The video is circulating. The police DPO or something, he was talking. They wrote they should close down the churches. You people think it's a child's play. I pray God will help you people, but don't validate these people. Let's fight for this, our freedom, and be serious about it. They win the election, as they said, they are destroying Igbo people shop. And when they said they called police, police didn't respond again. So by the time they collect the mandate from him, who knows what will happen? Let us make sure we don't vote these governors, because they are all morons. They can't talk. When they are killing us, they don't talk. So why will you go and vote for them again? So that they will not bury the whole people in Biafra land. Eh? Look at it. Thank you, Mazi.
Thank you so much. Okay, we move, people. This is still the same money. Bam bam bam. Battle cry. Emeka. Everyone will enter this studio. Una welcome. This is the same money people are dying to get. This is the same money people will work.
Honestly,
They don't go pay them. Do you
I
see
can't
the
believe
money?
this.
You see the money?
I can't
You
believe
see
this.
money? This is the country somebody will call me a criminal to belong to.
Uh,
This is money, not sawdust. Oh.
or,
I just see
or,
this one. This one showed the video well, well. You
well,
see am? This is money. You see am? You see where they heap am? They don't destroy as much as possible. Still, the money no gree finish. You see am? People they die on daily basis for hospital. They no get money to save them. People dey out of school every day. They no get money to pay for school fees. See am?
hi,
And
wow,
you want to go and validate this kind of thing?
hi,
This is what you want to validate. You want to go and vote. We are shouting, don't vote. Oh. We go make announcement for Igbo, make for Funani, make for English, make for Broken, every corner. Still, you go stubbornly go out to go vote. Now you they go shoot, now you go die. Now you they take your money seize. Now you they take your freedom seize. Everything you. Everything you. Make I no just verse too much.
no,
Okay.
bro, this is very painful, honestly. I do know I watched this one on the platform this morning. I said, really? Only in Ogun State, you saw this bunch of wasted currency notes. What about other states? I'm telling you, what was shredded on this